Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words for and for. They are homophones, meaning that they sound alike but have different meanings and spellings. Let's look at each one individually. For, noun, also can be used as an adjective. The number 4, a quantity that comes after 3 and before 5. For example, I have 4 apples in my bag. The team scored 4 goals in the match. She is 4 years old. For, preposition, used to indicate purpose, destination, or duration. It can also denote support or favor. For example, this gift is for you. I will be on vacation for 2 weeks. I am rooting for my favorite team. To summarize, for refers to the number 4 and is used to indicate quantity. For is a preposition that indicates purpose, destination, duration, or support. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.